Seattle, founded in 1851, is named after Chief Seattle, a leader of the local Duwamish and Suquamish tribes, who played a crucial role in the area's early history. The city is located in the Pacific Northwest region of the United States, nestled between Puget Sound and Lake Washington. Seattle is known for its iconic Space Needle, which was built for the 1962 World's Fair and stands 605 feet tall. The city has a significant coffee culture and is home to the original Starbucks, which opened in Pike Place Market in 1971. Seattle receives an average of 37 inches of rain per year, but it is often misunderstood as one of the rainiest cities in America due to its frequent light drizzles. The first ever revolving restaurant, Sky City, was located at the top of the Space Needle and offered panoramic views of the city. Seattle is a major tech hub, often referred to as Silicon Forest, and is home to major companies like Amazon, Microsoft, and Boeing. The city has a rich music history, being the birthplace of grunge music in the early 1990s, with bands like Nirvana and Pearl Jam originating there. Pike Place Market, one of the oldest continuously operated public farmers markets in the U.S., opened in 1907 and features over 200 vendors. Seattle's waterfront features the Seattle Great Wheel, a 175-foot tall Ferris wheel that offers stunning views of Elliott Bay. The city is known for its diverse neighborhoods, each with its own unique character, including Capitol Hill, Ballard, and West Seattle. Seattle has a strong environmental focus and was the first major city in the U.S. to establish a citywide ban on plastic straws and utensils. The Museum of Pop Culture, designed by architect Frank Gehry, celebrates popular culture and is home to exhibits on music, science fiction, and gaming. Seattle's climate is classified as an oceanic climate, which contributes to its lush greenery and beautiful parks. The city is surrounded by water, mountains, and evergreen forests, providing ample opportunities for outdoor activities like hiking, kayaking, and skiing. Seattle is home to the University of Washington, one of the oldest universities on the West Coast, established in 1861. The city has a thriving art scene, with numerous theaters, galleries, and the Seattle Art Museum, which features an extensive collection of global art. Seattle's public transportation includes the Link Light Rail, which connects the city to the Seattle-Tacoma International Airport and surrounding areas. The Seattle International Film Festival, SIFF, is one of the largest film festivals in the U.S., showcasing films from around the world. The city hosts the annual Seattle International Beer Fest, celebrating the craft beer movement with tastings and events. Seattle's Space Needle was once the tallest structure in the West until it was surpassed by the Columbia Center in 1985. The Seattle Seahawks, the city's NFL team, won their first Super Bowl in 2014, bringing a championship to the city for the first time. The Chihuly Garden and Glass exhibition showcases the stunning glass artwork of local artist Dale Chihuly and is located near the Space Needle. Seattle has a vibrant tech startup scene, with many incubators and accelerators supporting new businesses in the region. The city is home to the Seattle Sounders FC, a Major League Soccer team that has one of the highest average attendances in the league. Seattle's transportation system includes ferries that connect the city to nearby islands and communities across Puget Sound. The city has a rich literary history, with famous authors like Tom Robbins and David Gitterson calling Seattle home. The Seattle Art Museum features rotating exhibits and is known for its collection of Native American art. The city is often referred to as the Emerald City, a nickname that reflects its lush greenery and beautiful landscapes. Seattle has a strong commitment to public parks, with over 400 parks covering more than 6,400 acres of land. The Seattle Public Library, designed by architect Rem Koolhaas, is a striking example of modern architecture and features a unique open design. The city is known for its seafood, particularly its Dungeness crab and salmon, which are staples of the local cuisine. Seattle hosts the annual Bite of Seattle, a food festival that showcases local restaurants and food vendors. The Seattle Aquarium, located on the waterfront, features exhibits on local marine life, including otters, seals, and salmon. The city has a diverse population, with significant communities of Asian, Hispanic, and African American residents. Seattle is home to the famous Gum Wall, a quirky tourist attraction in Post Alley where visitors stick their chewing gum on the wall. The city has a rich history of aviation, being the birthplace of Boeing, which is one of the largest aerospace manufacturers in the world. Seattle's weather is heavily influenced by the Pacific Ocean, which moderates temperatures and brings moisture to the region. The Seattle Symphony, founded in 1903, is known for its innovative performances and has won several Grammy Awards. The Pacific Science Center, located near the Space Needle, offers interactive science exhibits and an IMAX theater. Seattle has a strong tradition of philanthropy, with many residents actively involved in charitable organizations and community service. The city is known for its diverse culinary scene, featuring a mix of international cuisines and innovative dining concepts. Seattle has a number of professional sports teams, including the Seattle Mariners, MLB, and the Seattle Storm, WNBA. The Woodland Park Zoo is home to over 1,000 animals from around the world and is known for its conservation efforts. Seattle has a vibrant nightlife, with numerous bars, clubs, and live music venues featuring local and national acts. The city is a popular destination for tourists, attracting millions of visitors each year to its attractions and natural beauty. Seattle's economy is one of the fastest growing in the U.S., driven by technology, healthcare, and international trade.